really worth pursuing. So nanosensor for us is a polymer bead that's about 100 nanometers in diameter, and we put all of the chemical components within the core of the sensor itself, where they're free to diffuse around within the boundaries of the sphere without exiting the sphere. And then we actually extract in what we're trying to measure, let's say glucose, and a chemical reaction takes place within the sensor itself and changes the fluorescence intensity of that sensor. So our vision is a three-component system. The first component would be a temporary tattoo, which would be injected into the skin, into the epidermis. The epidermis is a layer that is not permanent, so that the skin itself in that layer sloughs off every 7 days. So a new tattoo would need to be applied. Our vision is to have an injector that people could use themselves to stamp into that layer. And it would be a lot less painful than a needle because it's not going down as deep as a needle would be in an injection. Once the tattoo was applied, we envision a handheld reader that we're developing right now that would just be run over the skin to monitor the fluorescence that is being emitted from the glucose particles. That fluorescence correlates to a quantitative measure of glucose, which would then be read on the reader itself.